got me another C350 engine and transmission, and the plan is now to get this thing off the trailer. So I'm gonna put this lifting plate on the where the carburetor mounts, and I'm thinking about using this carburetor for the C10 and seeing if I can get it to run a little bit better and see what it'll do. May as well. I'm gonna have it off of this, so may as well put it on there and try it out. But anyway, that's the plan right now. I gotta take this air cleaner off. Go around the easy way to get up on this thing. Right, this thing should be ready to pull right off of here, but I'm not going to do it with one hand. Let me shut this camera off, and then we'll resume afterward. Alright, well, I got the carburetor off, got this all taped up, kind of paranoid of anything getting down in the engine, so whatever. I know it's going to have the plate over top, but that's going to extra protect it. Alright, I get these nuts and washers put back on here, and we'll be good. Well, I couldn't film it too good, but I got it. I'm inside the Bobcat with a friend over here that if he jumps on me, I'm going to go friggin' nuts. But anyway, in the Bobcat, I got it up in the air. I can't film it because I got to use two hands, but I'm going to take it over there to the shop. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Started to rain on me here just a little bit, but at least I got the carburetor put on here and got this old C10 running good, 71 C10. Anyway, it's at least I got that done. I wanted to show a little video of me getting that new engine and getting it all unloaded and everything. May as well show you my progress. I do intend on getting to the 52 and going ahead and getting it, getting it going, getting it on the road. But this C10 here will probably be on the road before the 52 is. It's got a longer way to go. So thanks for watching Double Trouble Garage. I really appreciate you guys if you can, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. Don't cost much, and it don't cost any. But anyway, till next time, see ya.